What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day and hope you all had an awesome weekend. A quick one on that gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? Price nicely pushed up as expected and now still pushing higher. So price now broken above 50 EMA with the momentum, which is a good signal that price will now likely to push up and continue to head higher. Soon we're going to get an EMA cross, which is 20 moving average, going to cross 50 moving average. That is also a sign that faster moving average going to cross slow moving average, and that is also one of a bullish signs. So for entries, simply I'll be looking at pullback entries bullish. Now if you're wondering, that's not a valid entry condition. Yes, that is a valid bullish engulfing pattern, but according to my rules, that is not one of my valid entry. It can still push up from here, looking at this good bullish candle. Now also looking at this 382 bullish candle, that can also push the price higher. Still pushed up since we have this candle right here, and we have one strategy where we use this candle for our entries. So at this point, in a nutshell, I'm expecting a price to keep on pushing higher and head towards a next level of resistance, which is right up there. In this process, if we get a pullback above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfing candle, in that case I'm going to take my entries. Again, the straight to candle is also one of my bullish condition that can also push the price higher. So the next level of resistance, which is right up there, is 2.215, goes to 2.258, from where we can look for the possible pullbacks. A nice pullback before the price will push up. We need to see a condition at this point. So for now, only looking for buy trades, either with 382 candle that has already pushed up, or with a pullback entry bullish. Once we have that, we are good to go long, and with that, if we have an EMA cross with a pullback entry, that will be a strongest entry condition. So keep an eye, expecting a price to push higher from here. Here on Capital.com, we have this level of anchor is 2.324, goes to 2.375, from where we can expect some good pullback. Then above 50 EMA, if after the pullback we get a bullish engulfing pattern, I'm going to go long from here after a good and deep pullback. Otherwise, if price push up here, expect some good push down if we have a bearish engulfing condition here in this anchor area. Next up, we have NEMEX. NEMEX is exactly the same, pushing up towards the next anchor level, which is right up there. Have these zones on your charts. Is 2.247, goes to 2.274. It is a minor zone, minor anchor that can likely to be broken. If broken, we are looking at the level above, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming videos. For now, I'm expecting a price to push higher with conditions only. Otherwise, in general, we are still bullish. Like I've been mentioning from a couple of videos, we can still expect the price to continue to push higher. Next up, we have gold. It's now still in a range, but we are broken below this little range and a kind of triangle pattern. Now at this point, we have a very likely chance the price is going to push down to my anchor level right here. 2465 goes to 2479.06, from where we can expect another bounce out of. If we have a price to come down in this area, it is an area from where I'll start to look for my bullish engulfing pattern. So keep an eye. I'm expecting a price to push down as we are below 50 and 20 EMA. Next up, we have silver. Silver is pushing down. Now we have only two levels, above and below. I've removed my anchor level because that was not a very good level. So I'm expecting a price to keep on pushing down. And right here for silver, I'm looking at 25.57 goes to 26.54, from where I'll start to look for my buy entry conditions. Otherwise, I'll keep an eye on gold as well. Once the gold is in a level of support, we can start to look silver for a bounce accordingly. Otherwise, it is an area from where I'll be looking at possible bounce. For now, if you have a pullback below 50 EMA with a bearish engulfer, I'm going to go short and keep on taking short, looking at the fact we are below 50 and 20 EMA. Lastly, we have crude oil. If you remember in my last video, I've said that if you're looking at pullback entry bearish on smaller time frame, you can look at smaller time frame. If you have a pullback below 50 EMA, price close back below 50 EMA followed by bearish engulfing candle. In that case, we can start to look for sell trades on smaller time frame. Otherwise, I'm not looking for entries on crude oil, as mentioned in my couple of videos ago, that I will look at some range. We can still get a push down to this level and then a bounce up. So expect some range between this level and this anchor. Now this level is 72.21, goes up to 73.08, and the level above, which is right here, as you can see the number in blue. So if you have a price come down, we can expect a bounce and some bounce and consolidation before we are broken completely above or below this level. So we can still do a range trade between these two zones. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. See you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.